Fresh out of graduating from the Android course at She Codes, I had the chance to build a proof of concept app for the international logistics group Mentfield. Mentfield uses Unifreight for shipment tracking and wanted to test if they could build an in-house own brand app based on their Unifreight data, something more beautiful and more user-friendly than the generic Unifreight application. Since Unifreight doesn't have an API for clients, the way to build this test app was to set up a local database, create a local API, and run an Android app in that same environment. The first challenge was to extract the data out of the Unifreight system by creating automated Excel reports, and then formatting and standardizing them before uploading the data into a MySQL database. For this, I wrote a PHP script to copy the latest Excel report, convert it to CSV using VBScript, then run a batch script to clean up the data and standardize the status description with Python. And lastly, unified the date formatting before uploading the report to the MySQL database. Once the shipment data was available, I built an API with Laravel, complete with authentication and a web administration backend for managing users and offices. The API would return a customer's shipment overview, a single shipment, and store if a customer switched on notifications or not. The Android app itself was cheaply designed using Fiverr and was based on existing shipment tracking apps from competitors like DHL and TNT. It featured sign-up and registration, a landing screen pointing to the shipment overview, and a call to action request a quote button. The search was only a design feature at this stage. Inside the shipment overview, one could swipe right or left for import or export shipments, and the shipments were color-coded by status. On tap, the app would open a single shipment view and show details and the shipment route using the Google Map API. On the app, one could also fill out a small form to request a quote or send a message. From this project, my baptism with fire into the world of Android programming, I learned how to make a project happen from design to execution, how to pivot at every technical obstacle, and use any language and technology to find a solution. Because in programming as in life, there is always a solution.